Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling and arranging everything you need. Open Excel, turn on Solver via File Options add-ins, and click Go to enable it. Next, structure your sheet, label inputs, put decision variables in contiguous cells, and set a single objective cell. Define simple bounds and constraint cells now, because once you open Solver, you will reference these directly. Make sure formulas use absolute references where needed, and keep a backup copy before running experiments. Once done with setup, open Data Solver and focus on choices that change results. Set the objective cell and pick max, min, or a specific value, then select the decision variable range. Add constraints one by one, choosing cell relationships and integer or binary flags where required. Next, choose the solving method that fits the model. LP simplex for linear, GRG nonlinear for smooth nonlinear, evolutionary for non-smooth or discrete. You can tweak options like tolerance and iterations to control accuracy and speed. You run Solver and immediately review outputs and messages. Click Solve and decide to keep the Solver solution or restore original values, then inspect objective and decision cells to confirm logical feasibility. Make iterative adjustments, relax or tighten constraints, change Solver method, or rescale variables so magnitudes are comparable. If Solver fails, try switching methods, increase iterations, or simplify constraints. Also check for unintended circular references and ensure formulas are correct. Finally, save a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.